Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Select multiple rectangles placed randomly across the canvas. Use align top to bring them into one straightened line. The layout instantly become balanced. Now apply distribute vertical to equalize spacing. Notice how the layout feels more breathable. Add align horizontal centers for improved symmetry. The shapes now visually relate to each other. These alignment steps are essential for corporate templates. They help maintain clean structure and readability. Even simple shapes become design asset when organized. Align also reduce editing time in complex layout. It's ensure accuracy without manual measurement. This workflow keeps your design polished and consistent. Thanks for watching.